Oh, damn, that light works.
Check out some of the cars out here in Vegas. Look at this. This little CRX. Super duper clean. Boy, looks good on the wheels. Jay?
That's my daily.
This your daily? Daily?
The daily?
Man, this is that Vegas stuff, bro.
With AC?
Yeah, with AC?
With AC.
Yeah, I'm surprised you ain't got tires on here.
I told the member I had the slicks, but I killed them on the freeway.
Chopped them.
yesterday.
Yeah, yeah. Daily. This guy's crazy. That's what's up. But this is R33, my boy. Oh, R33. Is trying to sell this or what? How much you want? I got like $200.
That's it?
Right now, I mean.
A feature?
And a feature? No. No.
Literally a day. Huh?
What?
Literally a day. It just came in today.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Well, now it's perfect. You got to deliver it to me now. Oh my goodness.
This is not allowed in California.
Nobody needs to know. I'll fucking register. I'll register this thing in Vermont. Damn. 26, 25, 26,
25.
25. Damn. Oh, cute little baby. That's probably why these things light up so quickly, yeah?
Yeah.
Little baby turbo. Damn. You know, everybody and their mamas want an R32, right?
I already had one.
Right. I prefer the R33. I don't know why a lot of people don't like the R33s, but
There's one reason to hate. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just someone said it online.
I think everybody just wants a Godzilla.
Yes.
Yeah, but I prefer R33. Ah, man, when you're ready to sell this, you let me know so I can dream about it. I see this thing pulling up earlier. Boosted. Really clean. Oh my goodness. Really clean. Drag log manifold. Full SI interior. Beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, this car kind of broke my neck a little bit when we pulled in.
I'm trying to he wanted my car, so I was like, well, here you go.
Hey,
so
nice meeting you, man.
Hell yeah, bro.
Big
We out
fan,
here.
bro.
Appreciate it. Hell yeah. This is you?
yeah, this is mine.
Boy, this thing is a real shuttle?
Yes, sir.
Oh, right hand drive, everything.
Not for long, it's about to be my shuttle.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Which model is this one?
So it's the 1.5 Pro, the 94.
Oh, this is the Pro?
Yeah.
Wait, I thought the Pros didn't come with moldings.
This is how it came, bro. Like, low key, what I thought was weird too was that it has the gel bars from the Waggle van.
Oh, right. Interesting. And look at you got the bench seat in it too.
Yeah.
Huh. Oh, I love it, dude. I love it. Oh, you bought this from the Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Eon and his little company. I helped them repost this too. I was trying to.
Did you?
They were trying to give me $100 buyer finder's fee.
Bro, what's crazy is I didn't even know he had YouTube till I met him, because I bought the car off of Facebook Marketplace off of Gabriel, his brother.
Yeah. You know, you'll always find Chad around the CRX, bro.
Yeah, young static.
Damn. Yo, look at this.
I'll let you check it out. I'm about
What motor you got in here?
LSV Tech.
Oh wow. Yo, this thing ain't stock, bro. Look at this. Everything complete. He on bottle caps, so I'll tell you that. On that bottle caps on the Falcons.
Bottle caps.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. All carbon. Wow. Dude, this is beautiful. So quiet. LSV Tech. Dude, this thing is incredible.
What? My nigga, you static?
What's good? We out here.
Whoa.
Yo.
Oh, so you out here tripping?
You
Got it,
legend right here, you know?
You out here tripping.
Oh, I've never seen a Y&S 2000 before. What the hell? Maybe I have. Those cars white. You guys out? Yeah, everybody come up. All right, for sure, man. For sure, for sure. Bro.
Or when you're giving it away.
It's good seeing you again, man.
Look, man, take care, man.
For sure, for sure. So if you guys haven't caught it yet, we're out here still in Las Vegas at a P1. Is this every Tuesday? What is this?
Every Tuesday.
Every Tuesday.
Every Tuesday, follow me on Instagram, EK_Danny99 P1 all day.
Right here, guys. So they set up a meet with pretty much
Trick or treat.
trick or treat. Oh, snap! Ooh, charging. So I've just been kind of like running through the parking lot really quickly before everybody left, and it is kind of dark. Like, it's kind of hard to see a lot of the cars. But regardless of the fact, I was able to kind of like talk to a lot of you guys, a lot of people, kind of check out a lot of nice cars, except it's kind of dark, so I couldn't really show you guys everything. But regardless, big shout out to P1 guys for throwing this meet, because, you know what I'm saying, they made us a special guest, and I feel like the P1 meet is the reason why I haven't gone home yet. But at the end of the day, I'm super stoked to still be here and kind of experience a little bit of the Vegas car scene. So right now, everybody's just kind of taking off. Y'all hear the cars in the background, which I do not advise you guys to. I mean, they don't really care out here, but
What?
all the car noises smashing out here like that.
I mean, it'd be nice if they just take it out on the street.
Right. Don't do it in the parking lot, guys. Be chill. But the meet was pretty awesome.
Static. You just said Dana. So first person that popped in my head was Westel.
See, the problem is Dana and I have been friends for so long. Young Static
doesn't exist. Exactly. Right. No, but I know that's his name.
Nowadays, I just go by Static, and then that's like what I'm used to now. So when people use my gov name, a lot of people who follow me,
right?
yeah, you're like, who the fuck is Dana, you know?
Right. So that's why I didn't put two and two together. I'm like, all right, Dana. Dana. I see Dana everywhere.
Come on, man. My tuner, Jeremy. Jeremy's here. Dana. Who else do we know? Who else? You cheating me with a different Dana?
There's another Dana out here. Tunes and races.
Oh, he's cheating on me. Oh, he's cheating on me.
Hey.
Gonzo, look at that. Sold out.
There you go.
This is the last bit of it?
Yes.
I appreciate it so much. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, here.
Oh, there it is. Yo, I want to give a big shout out to this man right here.
George.
Utah.
Yep. 5 hours.
Utah's 5 hours from Las Vegas. Appreciate you coming out, brother.
Yeah.
You going Utah? Even I told you on the counter?
Yeah, I saw the message.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I was gonna buy some wheels sometime this week, and I was like, you know what, I'll just go today.
What part of Utah?
Pleasant.
Oh, okay.
So,
Still far.
It's Utah. It's
I
far.
appreciate it, man.
How long's the drive?
It's 5 hours, but there's a detour right now, so it's about 5.5 half hour.
Oh, you
detour.
came and got wheels too? Also, two.
You have a secondary driver? You Gucci, bro. Thank you for coming out, man. I appreciate it.
Never drive long drives alone.
Yo, he about to light it up. Hey, let me get this on the gram too real quick. Big shout out.
Can I have fun?
Thank you for coming out. The guy said that's my daily. That's a savage daily, bro.